Friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. A new AI model is launched by OpenAI. So that is called GPT-4o. O stands for Omni. So in this video we are going to discuss what are the important features in this particular Omni, and also we are going to explore that Omni in Playground. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this video. So please do watch the video to know more about GPT-4o. Let us go on to today's video. So this is our new Hello GPT-4o. So here this is the important options and important things in this GPT-4o. So GPT-4o, O is for Omni. It's a step towards much more natural human computer interaction. It accepts as input any combination of text, audio, image and video, and generates any combination of text, audio and image outputs. It can respond to audio inputs as well as little at 232 milliseconds with the average of 320 milliseconds, which is similar to a human response. So this is like a human, like a chatbot, where it can generate response in milliseconds. So here you can see the announcement made by OpenAI.
Hey, how's it going?
So this is a OpenAI model, so where you can communicate with through audio or video.
AI hoodie, nice choice. What's up with that ceiling about? Are you in a cool industry style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
So here audio or video image, that is video, will be shown. So accordingly it will judge as like human what you are doing. So this is how this model is trained to judge like a human, and it will generate a content and it will generate and judge like a human. So this will be very helpful for us.
I can see it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup with those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic. It seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to?
So as like human interaction, so you can interact with that AI model, so and it will give suggestions and what are the things you are asking for. As like we are giving prompts in ChatGPT, it will generate answers. So it will act as a character and it will help you to make your that is content writing and anything which is related to your input prompts, make it better.
To OpenAI, perhaps?
It is. And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of my, well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
So this is how GPT-4o is announced. So you can have an audio, video and an image model, so where you can interact with interact like a human and make a better conversation as like human do. So this is new features added. So these are the different model capabilities and the test that is text here you can go on and check. So here you can see prior to GPT-4o you can use voice mode to talk to GPT with latencies of 2.8 seconds. So to achieve this voice mode in pipeline, 3 separate models. So these are the different models. So here all this done in a single model with GPT-4o. So if we trained a single new model, end-to-end text, vision, audio, meaning, so that all processes your input and output as like neural network. So this is the best thing in this model, all combined in a single model. So here you can see this is some of the exploration of this capabilities. So here you can see input the first person view of a robot typewriting the following journal entries. So here it will detect that particular image, a robot is likely typing this particular image, and then here you can see this is the content which is typed by the robot. So the next one is that the robot wrote a second entry, the page is now taller, the page has moved up, there are 2 entries on the sheet. So here you can see it will detect perfectly that image and it will give that 2 entries are made by this particular robot. So next one is that the robot was unhappy with this writing, as like we human discuss, it is unhappy with this writing and it is going to rip the sheet of the paper. So here is the first person view, he rips it from top to bottom with his hands. So this is how this AI model GPT-4o will analyze a particular image as like human, and it will generate a particular content. So this is all about this GPT-4o model. So here you can see this is the analysis made with this GPT-4o model. So all it is stands out to make a better performance. So here you can see these are the different models for user for text, that is text evaluation. So for text evaluation you can see, so here that is pink color, the GPT-4o stands taller. So next these are the different language tokenization. So these are the different options. So here you can see these are the different languages which is trained with. So you can have different types of language models in this GPT-4o also. So this is all about this GPT-4o. GPT-4o also undergone an extensive external red teaming with 70 plus external experts in domains such as social psychology, bias and fairness, and misinformation to identify risks that are introduced or amplified by newly added modalities. There are new modalities which is added in this GPT-4 model. So here you can see.
So let's root for the home. Et après les chansons,
Oh no! What was that?
Sorry guys, I got carried away. Started
Yeah, you
talking in
did.
French. Guilty as charged. What can I say? Sometimes I just can't help myself. Ready for another round?
بدنا ايه أكل صيني بسان فرانسيسكو، فيك تساعدني؟
三分水果是一个很不错的城市。
So here we go. This is how this model works out. So this GPT-4 will be the future for all this AI models. It will be a, stands out will be a better performing AI models when compared with all the different AI databases. So let us go on and explore this GPT-4o. So I am going to open this in a playground. So here you can see I have opened in this playground, that is GPT-4o model. So here you can see that GPT-4o model. So in this you can enter messages as like we often do in our chat GPT. So it will generate answers. So here you can analyze an image or link to the given image, so you can use. So but this free version of this GPT-4o will be only for a limited usage. So so in order to make a better usage, you have to go for that is plus option, that is subscription option. So let us explore with some of the images. So I am going to, as far as research paper writing is concerned, so we often use it to check with any of the block diagrams like that only we can check. So I am going to open. So in this, if you want, you can add, explain the attached image. So let us see how this response will generate answer for us. So here you can see this is how this GPT-4o model will generate explanation of that particular image. The image presents a block diagram of a photovoltaic energy conversional system with maximum power point tracking using butterfly optimization algorithm and a pulse width modulation generator to control a DC to DC boost converter. Here is a detailed breakdown of each component as a flow of the process. As we have done many videos in Google Bot to explain the pictures and images in your research paper. So get rid of the problem. So GPT-4o has came, so you can upload all the pictures in your research paper and get the explanation of the pictures and graphs in seconds. So this is all about this GPT-4o model, and it will give you a perfect explanation of everything. So here you can see that PV array, DC to DC boost converter, load, butterfly optimization, MPPT algorithm, PWM generator. So like that it will give you a perfect explanation regarding that particular model. So here it will be only limited for limited tokens. So you can make use of this GPT-4o model wisely to generate a better content as like a human will do. So after it will come to that is commercialization, we will check out whether it will, how it will generate text also. So here I am going to enter a text here. Explain about machine learning algorithms. So here you can see that. So this is how the data is generated in this 4o model. So machine learning algorithms. So here you can see supervised learning. So for that supervised learning, you can get classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, association. So like that it will generate a content. So you can generate content using this GPT-4o text content. So as far as audio and video is concerned, so you have to go for subscription option and you can give a request to this GPT-4o model. So this is all about this GPT-4o model. So hope you can get an aware about this GPT-4o model. So go on and try with your free tokens and limits. So make use of this option and generate a better content as like human to make it very versatile and very better. Thank you for watching this videos. Hope you get an aware about this GPT-4o model. So have a nice day. Thank you.